Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, it's a Bluetooth speaker that comes to me for repair. While the customer charging the Bluetooth speaker, it's fall down. So it is damaged the charging port. You can see this is the charging port. So we need to fix this charging port. For using this Bluetooth speaker, you can see the tracks are completely gone. Only the VCC and ground supply tracks are there on the PCB. See friends, this is the condition. So let us start the repair. Here you can see there are two tracks. One is VCC and the other one is ground supply. So first we need to remove this PCB from this cover. For that we need to unscrew it from the front cover. So let us remove all screws first. See friends, now we take down the PCB. You can see first thing is we need to align the old charging port properly. Then first we need to solder it with ground connection. See friends, now I properly aligned the charging port. You can see. Now we need to solder it properly. So I will show you after soldering the tracks. So friends, you can see now we solder these tracks. Here you can see now the ground connection and the VCC supply pin is also soldered. Now there are two tracks remaining for soldering. See friends, in the middle here you can see there are two tracks are there. So we need to solder it. You can see there is no print in that area for soldering. So we need to first remove the insulation of these tracks. The track is visible but there are no test point to solder. So we need to first remove the insulation from there. See friends, now using a blade, here I removed the insulation of these two tracks. Here you can see. Now we need to apply the lead there and joint these two tracks. See friends, finally here you can see now I applied the lead to that test point and slowly joined these two tracks properly. You can clearly see now all tracks are joined properly. See friends, you can see it's clearly visible. Now all tracks are joined. So now the next step is to apply some gum over these tracks for getting a additional strength to prevent the future damage to this charging port. So we need to apply some gum over it for getting good strength to the charging port and to avoid the future problems. So I will show you after applying the gum. See friends, here you can see now all corners and these pins. Here you can see all corners of the charging port, and over these connections here we applied the gum. Here you can see it may take a 5 minutes for setting. By doing this, now the charging port become more strong. So the next step is to connect the charging cable. See friends, here we connected the charging cable. Here you can see now the LED light is indicating. See friends, here you can see the red light indicator. So this means that now we can connect all sockets back to this cabin. So now this board is working properly, so we can fix it in the speaker. See friends, finally here you can see now it is in charging mode. Let us turn on. See friends, while pressing the power button, now the speaker is turned on. Here you can see in the mobile screen, here I turn on the Bluetooth option. Now we need to scan the device. Here you can see now the device name is listed. Here you can see now the device name is listed there. Now we need to pair the Bluetooth speaker with our smartphone.
Connected.
See friends, now the device is paired successfully. Now I will play a song. Here you can see now the speaker is working properly, so it is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.